morning, and by that I mean it is already nighttime. We just got to the campsite, so we're unloading. It's been a long day. We had to go get groceries and do a bunch of stuff, but I figured I would just introduce this quick and go from there. Also, there's so many beautiful flowers here, so I will at some point. I would like to, well, I'll just, here, look at this. Look at how gorgeous. There's so many. We are trying to get the stuff inside all set up and the fire going. It's getting late and I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes, so I have to change into pants. But I'll show you what we've done so far. Okay, we've got the extension cord getting stuff inside ready. You're setting up the firewood. The firewood was actually pretty cheap. They gave us 2 bundles for, was it 2 for 12? Yeah. Not too bad. I am so hungry. We're finally getting the fire going. Okay, fire is going. Someone's anxious to eat. Okay, we've got the some more stuff. If you'll remember from the last time, we do have some of the Hershey's left over from the last time we made s'mores. Extra marshmallows. We bought a Costco size of these. Of course, my favorite. These I've never tried. I'm really excited about. These they had in the store, which I haven't seen these in so long, and these are so good. Hot dog buns and the cutest, tiniest little baked beans. And then we have the rest of the stuff in the cooler. Okay. Okay, we've got Cokes, but today, oh, we have the rain. Do you want this?
Maybe in a bit.
I mean, do you want me to take it out?
Maybe later.
Yes?
Maybe later.
Oh. Yeah. I
Yeah.
think I'm just gonna take it out. We're gonna eat now.
Okay.
Potato salad, and then,
Nice.
oops, what I feel like you're most excited about.
Ooh.
He's never had one before, so we're gonna try
be
it.
good.
Okay. Whew. Wet. Okay. I'll do one and you do one. I'll pick that up in a minute. Cheers. Isn't it good?
That's really good. Wow.
You want honey Dijon or jalapeno lime?
I'm gonna let the...
I got them both out because I picked between, I didn't want Doritos today.
No, that sounds, both of them honestly sound really good with this, so...
I feel like do you want our beans off now too?
I don't know that they're ready. They usually feel so cold.
These are though?
I've heard about them, just never actually bought them.
Okay, I don't know which ones.
Oh. Stuff for grinding beans?
Figure out where that was. I feel like these beans might need a little longer. These ones.
I like those ones. You see some boiling coming off of that.
Sorry, we're not very talkative. I am so tired.
Yeah.
This is the kit that I got for like quite a while ago. It's a little backpack. I don't know if I've shown this before or not, but it opens up and it's got all of the like supplies that you would need. I don't want to take it all out. I'll just show you. But it's got all of like the cooking supplies. I still have it in the plastic wrap, but a ton of cooking supplies that you might need, which is just really handy. And obviously that had that glove in there that I just keep in its plastic bag to keep it like, I don't know why. I should just like take it out of the plastic, but it's like I just want to protect it. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's so silly, but it's like,
Makes sense.
So that is really nice. It also comes with one of these, a little bottle opener and like all this gadgets and stuff. It just has a lot of stuff. It's got a spice containers, and if you really wanted to go all out, you could really cook with this. All right, I should have gone first. This is gonna take forever.
It's already like not rotating because it like spins in place.
Oh, you just get it on a stick. Usually on a stick it like works a little bit better.
Yeah, honestly, stick is
Funny.
preferred. See, 'cause look at it. It just stays.
Yeah, it's not really doing anything.
Coming through.
Oh. It's ready for you. Beautiful.
Didn't get much color on it.
That's okay.
Do you just want me to burn this part off?
Sure. Got mine going.
I got a little color on it, but not my best one.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I'm cooking it a little fast though.
Oh, nice. I want to know what madman came up with s'mores. It just seems like such a random thing, you know?
Maybe the same person that invented AC.
Probably.
Should I burn it?
No. I'm kind of telling the video, but it looks really good. Whoa. That is literally perfect.
Look at that. Yeah, you can kind of tell in the video.
That's some good work right there.
Well, we'll go one.
Incredible. My chocolate started to melt too when the marshmallow got on it. It was good.
I honestly think that's the perfect amount of chocolate.
Yeah, I don't think you need a whole...
I think more than that, it's like a little overwhelming.
Yeah, honestly, because it still tastes rich.
Mm-hmm.
Just that. Good.
That smells so good. I don't know what to talk about. I'm so tired and zoned.
Same girl.
We had so much driving today, so I think that's part of it. It's like we literally drove on it. Oh my god, a squirrel!
Oh.
That was really close.
Yeah, he's like, can I have a s'more?
That scared me. Oh my god.
There you go. Hey, buddy.
I'll show you. Oh, there it goes. Good morning. It was a long day yesterday, but I actually slept pretty well last night, which is honestly surprising. It wasn't super noisy out. There was a bug that was like trapped in between the tent that we had to like shimmy out, and then of course after that you're a little like on edge. But other than that, it was actually really quiet here. Even today it seems pretty quiet. I'm sure it's gonna pick up a bit, but we slept in until maybe 8:30 I think, and it's now almost 10, and we were gonna just start collecting firewood. So yeah, that is the update so far. I have to grab my keys, and then I need to drink more water. Also, this lighting is, can't decide if it's good or not, but I do like the shade of it all. We were actually talking, and we were trying to describe like scents, like natural scents to each other, because I feel like he has a very like musky scent, and he described mine as like a sweet cream, which I feel like isn't a scent, but it was a whole thing this morning. That's why we're up so late, or why we were so long before actually getting ready, because it was a very intense discussion about pheromones and what does sweet cream smell like, because to me that doesn't have a smell. And I'll explain once he gets back. He's in the woods like getting firewood. Did you want to describe sweet cream?
Nope.
Look at how woodsy it is. There's just a bench. I think that's another campsite like right over there. Yeah. All right, while he is getting the fire going, I'm going to get the coffee ready. All right. Okay. Coffee time, coffee time. How do I do this? I'm gonna rinse everything off really quick. Okay, we are unpacking the Solo stove. So I don't know if we actually showed the full thing. So let's show you what that looks like so you kind of know what our setup is. Oh, okay, the lighting no longer good. Okay, so it comes in this little baggie and then we just store it in there. We didn't like, it used to be like silver, and obviously from using it, it gets kind of used. But that is the setup. Quite literally, you just take that out and flip it, and then the inside is where you're gonna put all of like the little sticks and stuff. Yeah. So we have a little stick pile here. So, you wanna show?
Yeah. So I got all my really small ones here. I'm just gonna get a few of them set up.
Okay, in the meantime, I will get the pot because I forgot that. So we have just like a little pot that we put up. Where did I put that? This is what I was looking for. Okay. Okay, I'm going to make the coffee. Or at least get that ready. Oh, you're close. Okay, I gotta get, well, do you want me to get this going, for the coffee made first, or do you want that? Okay, yeah, I'm ready then.
Okay.
So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so.
A little teepee set up. Hopefully it lights. We'll see. That didn't go as in there as I was hoping, but
I think it still might work.
maybe.
I think there's a mouse. Okay.
Hey. We are making a fire.
But it's not working, so I'm gonna try. Okay. I'm gonna show him how it's actually done. Okay, hold on. There we go. Good. Think fast. See? Done.
Alright. Nice.
Oops.
Yeah, well,
Okay, well, that one doesn't count.
that's just kindling. Looks like it's kind of going low.
Pot is on. Okay, now we got the water going. I'm gonna do the whole water bottle.
Yeah.
Because I tend to spill anyway. I think that's probably good. I don't want to go too much more than that.
Okay.
I think we did 4 last time, but I think if it wasn't strong enough, so I'm gonna do 5 if I can fill it. The problem is it depends on how much you can get in. We just saved, the coffee from last time, so that made it nice and easy. We just kept it with our camping stuff, which honestly probably isn't the best. We probably should have used up. I just got new. Sorry, it's really smoky. All right. 1, 2. That was like a heaping scoop. 3, 4. You think 5?
I think so.
Okay. And 5. It's so smoky. Last time we used this cup, but I don't know if it dried properly or if it's just coffee, but it didn't quite get cleaned well enough, and I got a little nervous about it, so we brought it. But I also we just had some extra from when we went on it. It was actually on a different video. So I was just gonna use these. Anyway, we also have Pop-Tarts. Little coffee snack. So look at just how beautiful that is. Not the paper towel roll. How's it coming?
Yeah, it's good. We're starting to see some bubbles.
Ooh. Do you think we could cook the Pop-Tarts on there? Would that work? Like, how would we do that?
No idea.
It is already so warm here. Do you know what the temperature is?
No.
I'm guessing like it's already in the 80s. I'm gonna check quick. All right, it's 78. It's not even 10:30 in the morning yet. So I know that doesn't sound that warm, if I'm being perfectly honest. I think it's the humidity plus standing right next to a smoky fire is really a lot. All right, is this hot? No. Hey, nothing. I don't know if oops. And we're just gonna put this on. Okay, now I'm scared to do this. And then I like to push it down just a tad, just to make sure it's like, and then we time it for 4 minutes. All right, we ended up running and getting more ice quick, so we just got back, finished our coffee, and that's pretty much it. Okay, let's see how, oh yeah, we definitely needed more ice. I just drained it and it was like, really. All right, we are setting up for lunch. Okay. What would you like? We just got this too. Okay, you want to entertain the camera? I'm gonna go get. All right. We're gonna share one. Ooh, oops, I'll grab that later. God, it's nice and cold, it's so good. Hot cheese, potato salad, veggie tray. Oh, I wanted to get the Pop-Tarts and then crackers. Okay. It is warm. All right, we didn't eat the Pop-Tart from this morning. Oh, do you want chips? Jalapeno lime, I've never tried these before, but I'm kind of intrigued. Here's our setup, by the way. Here's your chips.
You were
I don't
like,
know why I
yeah,
thought we
we've
had
got
more.
plenty. And I was like, okay.
Do you have any celery?
Mm-hmm.
What was it?
Pretty good. And not quite an actual
We were talking
idea.
about a video game idea that he had, I think is really good, but honestly, maybe you don't want to put that out there because you want to like create it yourself.
Yeah.
All right, we are going exploring. Do we want to go on the Thimbleberry Trail or the Snowshoe Trail? Or we stick to the road? Anyone recognize this road? We went camping here before. We are officially on the trail. Water is right over there. It's my favorite number. Okay, we're trying to get to the water. While filming.
Take the camera.
Oh, I got it. Okay. Well, it already cooled off a little bit.
And then just
I
going
feel like
down here.
just getting in the shade and a little bit. Oh, this is so cool. Look at how pretty that is. Wow. Ooh. Oh, it's not. That's neat. Whoa. My shoes are slippery.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah. Oh.
Nice.
Well, maybe I should. Are we going back under there?
Wherever you want to go.
Get more firewood. I just bought 2 of them. Mussels. Look at that. Welcome to the campsite.
Oh, it's so much easier when you have both.
Okay. Professional log carrier. This little trickster.
He's under there. We just ran back to the campsite and changed into our swimsuits because we thought it'd be really fun to go swimming. And we ended up actually just getting some water and relaxing for about a half an hour because I was not doing well with the heat. But we are heading back, and our neighbors that were camping the night before have already packed up, which is kind of crazy because I thought they were going to be here all weekend.
Kind of seemed like it. Yeah.
So, but that's okay. I feel like there was something else I was going to say and I already forgot from the 5 seconds it took me to get my phone out. So I'll keep you updated if I can think of anything. Otherwise, never mind.
Or maybe it's just my hand.
This is really cool back here. We're on the opposite side we crossed the river and then came around because we thought it'd be easier to get down to the river from here instead. Wow. We just keep finding new waterfalls. This stretch seems to be like quite a long stretch of like trails and stuff because there's just waterfalls all along the way. So we're trying to find a good place to dip our toes in, but a lot of it's a lot of moving water. So I'm trying to figure out where would be like a good place that's not totally stagnant, but not like rushing at slippery rocks. Whiskey Sprite coming up. Same cups, I rinsed them out at least, but oh, smell that.
Oh.
Okay. How many shots?
I don't know. Pour with your heart.
We'll start there, and then if you want more. Do you want ice in this too?
Yes, please. Okay.
Little that much ice?
Sure.
Ho ho ho.
Look at that.
Okay, let's try it out. Tell me what you think. Yeah, shake it a little. You could do a little shaker in there.
It's pretty good.
More whiskey, more Sprite. What are you thinking?
It's good, but maybe more whiskey.
Okay.
It's really good though. It could be strong.
Yeah, more whiskey. Okay, so I'm gonna literally top it off with whiskey. Is that too much?
Maybe just.
Okay. Maybe I'll do halfway.
There you go.
The thing is, it could be that it wasn't mixed, so the whiskey could have been at the bottom.
True. Okay.
Okay, not the best idea.
What do you think?
That's whiskey forward.
Okay, well.
Tell me what you think.
Well, whiskey on the top.
Oh, maybe that's what I drank. Better?
It's whiskey forward, but that's good.
Okay, good. I'm not gonna put ice in mine. I don't think. Maybe I should. Coke, and this is very 4th of July coated. So it's gonna taste very patriotic.
Yes.
I don't know, it was on sale. Oh my gosh, why are these so hard to get off? Okay. Ooh, it's kind of a lot, but okay.
Yep.
That's pretty good. You should try that.
I will.
Okay, tell me what you think.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, I don't know. Do you like what one better?
I'm partial to Whiskey 7.
I agree.
But this is still really good.
It's good, but it's like I think I like the Whiskey 7 better.
This just has more going on flavor-wise.
It's
I
like
think the
too
whiskey,
deep.
Yeah, the whiskey and the 7, it's just, I don't know, more
You can
complementary.
taste it better. Yeah.
But it's still really good.
Yeah. I've been not doing well, so I actually just sat in the car and cooled off for a little bit. Did you? Oh, okay. Look at that. That's fine. Got some of this stuff out. Day 2 of the hot dogs. We ended up getting a different can of beans, so we just did that, opened it up with the can opener, and then are letting it cook. But hot dogs are cooking. Good morning. It is 9:15. It was so loud last night. The train, there's a train track like somewhere around here, and it was going off literally all night. The like horn was constant. And of course right now you don't hear anything, but it was like a constant. I honestly thought like something was happening because I woke up to such a loud honking. It felt like it was like right behind us. I could not figure it out. And then it just lasted all night. So that was really intense. Other than that, we actually just washed our hands and washed our faces. We brought a little bit of soap and we just used our water bottles and just kind of like rinsed off, and it felt so good, especially after yesterday putting on sunscreen and just like how muggy it was. I feel like I was just sticky, so that felt really nice. And now he's off in the woods collecting firewood, and we're gonna just look for a little bit of kindling and stuff like that. Okay, it's not really the woods, it's more of just like, that's kind of the woods with the road right there. I'm going to get some stuff for the coffee. So once again, I like jimmied this back in the frying pan, which is what we put our water in, and I actually find the Pop-Tarts. Okay, maybe I'll just go set this down first. All right, Gotta get the coffee. Let's see. Coffee. And coffee maker. Perfect. Oof. It's still so quiet here. Got the water boiling. All right, coffee is cooking. Water is boiling. Time to get the coffee going. Too much stuff. Same coffee again. One, two. I could also do 6 scoops.
That was fine.
5,
Yep.
3, 4, 5. And we might just do a tiny bit less water just because, I don't know, I just wanted it a little bit stronger, but not too crazy. All right, now we wait. I just want to point out, I guesstimated, look at how perfectly even those are filled. I feel like, I don't know if you can tell. They're like really like almost identical. Anyway, okay. Our coffee is made. It is very good. It is still so quiet here.
It really is.
But it was nice and warm. We did the perfect amount of coffee, I think, for this one, and water. It's so hot though. I didn't spill anything.
No.
Well, mostly. I kind of spilled, but that's okay.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we are taking our leftovers from last night and pouring whiskey into these because I don't feel like doing any more dishes. So you can add more, but you can't take it out. So we'll see if that's enough. That looks like, look at that color. Tasty. It's so tasty too. Start there. Oops. Fire is officially going. Ooh. Tell us, what are you roasting over the fire?
Broccoli.
What in the world?
Well, for fun.
All right.
It's actually really good.
Really? We have a spider on you. A big one. Oh god. Okay. Good though?
No.
Did it taste like roasted broccoli? What did it taste like?
It tastes like cooked roasted broccoli. No.
Lot to dirt. That's okay. That's me. Like, I just think this is so cool back here. This is more just to remember. Like, I just think this is cool. And this is all... All right, I did not end the video, so I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. If you can, try to do something kind for someone today, if even that someone is yourself. Have a lovely day or night. Goodbye.